What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we doing some catfish simmered down in some tomato sauce with some broccoli and some fresh steamed rice. Now we steamed this broccoli while we was cooking that rice just to make it simple. But anyway, y'all, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and hit our wok with a little bit of oil. And then we gonna rain on our tuna. Now we gonna hit this tuna with some salt. And then hit it with a little bit of that pepper, y'all. As soon as we get that tuna seasoned up, we gonna get it straight into that wok, y'all. Now we only using this wok because, ain't no needing dirty up more than one pan. So we gonna get that tuna in. After about a minute and a half, we gonna give it a flip. And in about another minute and a half, we gonna get it out, y'all. Simple as that, because we want our tuna rare. And then we gonna get our veg in after we get that tuna out with this bell pepper, onion, and celery. Give that a quick mix. Rain on it with a little salt and pepper. Give that a mix. Because you want that salt to work its magic on that veg. And take a look at that veg. That veg always look good and taste good, y'all. Then we gonna get our catfish in once we get that veg where we want it. Go ahead, hit it with a little salt and pepper. Give it a quick mix so we can go ahead and get that catfish a cooking. Now this catfish is gonna simmer in our wok on a high heat for about a minute, minute and a half, and then we gonna add in our tomatoes. And then our broccoli. Then we gonna give that a mix, bringing everything together. Once we get everything mixed up really well, we gonna add in a half a cup of chicken broth or stock, whichever one you got. And we gonna mix that, and we gonna let this simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how done you like your catfish. Like I say, everybody different. Some people like a softer texture fish, and some people like a well done fish. But anyway, let's go and plate up. We're gonna go ahead and get us some rice, some of that good tomato and catfish with that broccoli just looking so good. And of course, I hope you ain't forget about that tuna, because I had to have me that tuna right on top. So let's get us a bite, y'all. Let's get us a bite. And you know what? It was tasty, y'all. It was tasty. I sure hope y'all try this, because I guarantee it's going to be better than what you think. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.